Hello, I bought Pop On Veneers because I've had really horrible teeth for a very long time. I had a flapper that I kept for about 10 years because I couldn't afford to go get dental work done. I had no dental insurance, and then I saw the ads for Pop On Veneers after I had lost my flapper. So I've been like this for almost a year. I've hated smiling, talking. I cover my mouth a lot when I talk to people and when I laugh. But now I have these, and I'm so grateful to have them. I can smile, I can talk, I can sing, I can perform like I used to. I am a drag performer, and so being able to smile and open my mouth is huge. I cannot thank Pop On Veneers enough. They have given me life. And if you want to improve your smile, Pop On Veneers. Absolutely the way to go. Thank you, Pop On. I love you.